equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure your Dyson SV11 is unplugged. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. This gives you access to the internal components. Next, locate the screws holding the ring in place. Carefully unscrew them, keeping them in a safe spot. Once the screws are out, gently pull the ring away from the body. Check for any debris or dust inside. A clean vacuum performs better. Now, take the new ring and align it with the body. Push it into place firmly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely. Make sure everything is aligned correctly. Before you finish, do a visual inspection. Ensure there are no loose parts. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once done, reattach the dust canister. Your Dyson SV11 is now ready to go. For convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Enjoy your clean space. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.